If you have developed a strategy in the simulator, you have tested it in a demo account, and then you take this strategy live. And what you experience is not the same results. You don't win as many trades. Your win to loss ratio isn't the same. If this is the case, which by the way is very, very common for traders that take a strategy live, then you have to ask yourself a series of questions. First of all, was this live trading period just an anomaly? And honestly, it can be. Even though it's not very likely, it definitely can be. Next question is this actually not that unusual? So it doesn't matter how good you are as a trader. You might be the best trader in the world. You won't perform the exact same results every month. A great tip is to use an equity curve simulator. What you do is you input your hit rate, your win to loss ratio, your risk per trade, and then you can run simulations to see what would actually happen over many different sets of data. So you can take, for example, 20 trades and then 20 trades and then 20 trades and then 20 trades. Now, an uneducated trader would think that a person or trader with, let's say, 50% hit rate would have 10 wins and 10 losses every time. But that's not how things work, right? Now, every time that you would place a trade, you would have 50% chance of that being a winner or a loser, right? But that amounts to every trade. So, of course, the outcome over a series of 20 trades will not be the same for every batch of 20 trades. So the question remains, is this actually unusual? For a trader with 50% hit rate, for example, and a small batch of 20 trades, it's not unusual to have 12 wins over a batch of 20 trades. It's also not unusual to have 8 wins and 12 losses over a batch of just 20 trades. So this is something, of course, that a trader with experience would know, but a new trader might not and might think there is something wrong with just 8 wins. But of course, it's not. And here is the most important question that will help most traders if they take this question seriously. And that is, did I do something different? Did I interfere with trades in different ways than I do on the simulator or the demo account? For example, did you close out trades too early? Did you miss trading opportunities because you were at your job or you were asleep or whatever? Because when you simulate, right, when you run a simulator session, you just run data. You're there for the entire 24 hours a day, for example, if you trade Forex, right? And that is very different from how you actually trade live. Now, if you are smart or experienced, you will probably just trade the simulated data exactly as you will trade live. And of course, you will get similar results, right? But the question is, again, did you do something different? Did you trade different times? Did you miss opportunities that you were supposed to? Did you exit manually because you were afraid? Did you enter late because you thought the move were about to happen? All of these are what we refer to as the performance of a trade, right? The things that you do that will affect the outcome that is not related to strategy. Strategy is just a set of rules, right? They are the same, they are fixed. Of course, they will produce different results over different periods of data or time, of course. But you as the trader will be the biggest impact on the results that you have. And the things that I just said are just a small part, right? How you actually act, how confident you are as a trader, all of these traits will affect your results, both in the short term, but also in the long term. Today, I want to encourage you to do an honest review of your own trading activity. Chances are you will find what actually needs attention. And it's probably not strategy. Most likely, it's something in your performance, entry, exit, trade management, feelings, observations, stuff like that. And if you actually find something that you are not doing as well as you could, this is actually good news because now you know what it is and you can actually fix it. Because most traders, 9 out of 10, cannot put their pride aside and understand that there is something that they do or don't do that creates the results they have. They want to blame third parties, right? The market, the broker, the trading group, the mentor, whatever. If you can take 100% accountability, responsibility for your own performance, now you can actually get to work and fix whatever is holding you back. Because how you perform is always 100% up to you.